This is the box that I thought I was unboxing the last time I did an unboxing, and I thought it was a guitar that Jimi Hendrix might appreciate. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome back, good buddy. Good buddy, that is. Good buddy. Sorry about that. I can't find my glasses with the string on them. Well, I don't need them unless I'm working on something. I need these to be able to see things up close. You get old, you can't see up close anymore. So I got a box here. Right here it is. Just out of your sight. If I can get it in here without catching on a bunch of guitar chords and doxing anyone. Okay, I really believe if Jimi Hendrix seen this guitar, I'm pretty sure this is it this time. I think if he's seen this guitar, he would admire it very much. I think he would appreciate it quite a lot. So, let's stop talking and get it open, man. What do you folks say about that? How y'all doing, man? How is everybody doing? I'm doing really well, really well. Happy as a baby at Christmas time. And they tell me I'm healthy as a horse. Couldn't say that a year ago right now. I hope I'm cutting that right. I'm going to cut the lid off of the box. Yeah, I think that's right. I hope this is a little bit easier to unbox than the last one was too. Oh, he covered that up. That's not even. These numbers you can look at. Because that's I guess this box was used for something else. It's got a funky address, there's a couple of them there. Neither of them apply to me or the owner of this guitar. Alright, here we go. I should have got that chair out of here. Here we go. Loop-de-loo. Yeah, maybe it's a little bit easier to get out. I can't tell really. Let's try to lay the box over this way. It'd be nice if I had you guys, if I could put a rope right here, see that, and let you guys pull the guitar out and me hold the box. Wow, these things just tough to get out sometimes. Yeah, this ain't gonna be too bad. That last one, man, I think I had to pause the camera to get it out. If she falls, nobody knows, right? And we might be able to do this without too much damage. Alright, I'm going to pause the camera and get rid of all the boxes and this stuff. Then I'll bring you closer and we'll see what this is. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. I'm glad I'm better than I was a year ago. Oh, you know, I might be able just to pull this off. Save, yeah, it's gonna work. Save unwrapping it. Put on the case there a little bit. More bubbles. Lots of bubbles at the house. I'll never be so lucky with this one though. Pull it off like that. Ordered me a bunch of pipettes. I don't know if you can see them or not. Very, very tiny pipettes. I'm going to lose them before I even open them. Wow, man. Stand up there. Alright, let's see. I don't believe I'm going to be able to pull this one off. Right here's the end of it. So I'll just hopefully successfully keep turning the guitar over and over again and again. So how y'all doing, baby? Tell me how you are. I couldn't be better, man. I swear. If I was any better, I'd have to take something for it. Now maybe I can pull it off. Holy shit. I don't know. I don't know if that's going to be any faster or not. Yeah, Jimi Hendrix, I do believe, would appreciate this guitar. And you're about to find out why. Why I believe that. That is one major hunk of plastic right here, man. Bubbles. Alright. Let me get the bubbles down here. And I want to have to, I think I'm going to have to turn the camera off again and get rid of all these bubbles, man. Check it out. That's a huge amount of bubbles. Maybe I'll just lay it right there for now. Yes, sir. There's something in there. I have no idea how to. Okay, it slides off like so. There is something right there. What it is, man? Let's see what it is. Might be a bee's nest or something. Oh, it's. Oh, okay. This is one of the things we're going to be doing to this guitar, I think. Let me just show you these now. Check that out, man. Brand spanking new. Already soldered and ready to go. It says, yeah, I can't tell what it does say. Something blues you. Smitty or Sammy or Shitty. I can't tell what it says, man. Let me get another one out and look at it. I know he wanted, I remember him saying he wanted me to change the pickups or put pickups in it. See if I can read this one. I know you guys want to see the guitar, right? We're going to get to be patient, my little fuzzy chicklets. Smitty Blues, okay. Smitty Blues 69, it looks like. Smitty Blues 69. This is the middle one. The middle pup. Alright. You want to see the other pickup? Now, you want me to get to the guitar, I know. I'd really like to see this other pickup, though. Let's look at it. I don't know if I can pull it here. Neck pickup. Smitty Blues. Well, that looks like 64 or 69, maybe. I can't make it out. Neck pickup. Alright. We'll put them back in there because I don't want anything to happen to those. They're going to go on this guitar. I got to talk to the owner of this guitar and find out exactly for sure, but I'm pretty sure they're going to go on here. Okay, let's get on with it, man. Woo! Look at it. There it is in the middle. Two of them in the middle. Wow, that thing zips all the way. You're going to see immediately, when I open this, you're going to see immediately, unless it's covered up with something, why I think Jimi Hendrix would love this guitar. Okay, let's do it. What do you think? Slide it back here where I can get it all in the camera. I'm glad he tuned that down. See, it's got pickups in there. I'll get it out and see that headstock. I'll get it out and we'll talk about it. Hold on. Get rid of some of these bubbles. Hold on. I guess we'll just start at the headstock here. Almost said that word again. It's actually a right-handed guitar. You see it's strung up for a right-handed person. I see the nut is filed out for a right-handed person. Man, whoever done that nut did a good job on that. That's a very good job on that nut work. Maybe it's from a factory, I don't know. But it's actually a right-handed guitar, and it's strung up for a right-handed person. A little bit of fret wear. I see a little fret wear on each one. I don't know if you're seeing that or not. They're shiny, man. Those frets are really shiny. No fret wear down here. There's a dent in that fret. I don't know if the camera's getting that or not. Right there. Let me see if I can zoom in on it for you. I don't know if you're seeing that or not. I don't know what would do that. That's weird. Looks like something may have hit it. Anyways, have a look at the guitar, man. Check that thing out. I don't think it was relicked. I mean, if I can get the light right on this finish here, yeah, you can see there where it's all cracked and shattered. And this is really took a beating. The other side over here is like that too. If I hold the guitar up, man, it's a heavy guitar. See, all the way down the back side there. All right, let me see if I can turn him over with one hand. Like I said, it's very heavy guitar. Oh, check that out, man. Yeah, good to see the springs in there right. I didn't notice there was a whammy bar in that case or not. I'll have to check that out. I can't remember what the owner told me about the age of this guitar. Very unique guitar it is, though. No finish on the neck. Well, it's got something on it, but it's like satin. It's not glossy, if you know what I mean. Wow, that is a beauty, man. Alright, let me flop him back over. Just bear with me. I'm trying not to shake the camera too much. So we're going to put new pickups in it. Let's see if the pots work okay that are in there. They feel good. Now we'll clean them out. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-way switch. It feels good too. Wow, that's a unique guitar, man. I thought it might have fender on it up here. I thought I saw that in the pictures he sent me, but I don't guess I saw that. I don't know if it has. I don't see any serial number on it anywhere. So I don't know, man. This guitar is going to be the next one up. The K that I showed you. The reason this one's the next one up is because it's already paid for. Completely paid for. Unless we run into things, you know, that we hadn't planned on. But there she is. A very old Stratocaster. It sure looks very old. I'll get with the owner and I'll find out if this is relic or if this has truly been worn in the guitar. It's very rough right there. All these places around here are really rough. And this place right here is very slick. So I'm thinking, you know, it just got lived a rugged life. And I can see where the finish is shattered pretty bad. There's a pretty nasty looking mark. So stay tuned, man. We're going to jump on this pretty quick. Y'all wanted more unboxing videos, man. You sure been getting them. I'll try to get another one that's coming here pretty soon. Any day now. Or maybe a few days. I don't know. But I'll unbox it for you when I get it. I was just thinking, I talked to so many of y'all, man, it's hard to remember. That's why I like to keep everything documented so I see what we've said, what deal we struck up. I was just thinking, I think he told me he does want these frets done. They're not wore very bad, man, at all, really. Unless there's a high fret, I wouldn't really recommend leveling them and doing all that to it. But I'm pretty sure that's what he wanted me to do. And definitely the pickups. And I'll ask the owner how old this guitar is and let you guys know. And check my notes and everything and see if there's a whammy bar over there. If there's not, maybe he might want me to put one on it. I don't know. I'll show it to you under that light over there. That's what it looked like upside down. Peg head. I don't want to trip one of these cords and fall down, but check that out, man. See the battle scars? Let me show you better here. And here's the back of it. I like the neck, the way someone did the neck. Yeah. There's, you can see battle scars there. This thing's heavy, man. It's a lot heavier than what you might think it is. I'm really surprised by the weight of this guitar. These pole pieces are all uneven for some reason. That's very odd, man. See them like that. Anyways, stay tuned. I'll check my notes and see exactly if he wants the frets done. I mean, it don't look to me like they need it, but do what the customer says. There's a little bit of wear in them, but they're not very bad. Not really bad at all. But, you know, while it's here, like I say, the guitar, the work's already paid for, so we agreed on some deal. But I talked to so many of you, like I say, I have to look at the notes or the emails and PMs and see exactly what he wants done to it. I know he wants high action on this guitar, so it's not going to get set up like I normally do. And it looks like pretty good sized strings on there too. Yeah, I don't know if the battery in this, I can't remember if I bought one for it or not. The battery was dead. I think I got one for it though. Yeah. Let's see what gauge the strings are before we go. It looks like, wow. Wow, that says 8. 8 to 45. Let me read that sucker. Let me read the second one here. Yeah, the second one's 10. First string's an 8. Well, anyways, he said he wanted high action, you know, higher than normal. And what else? I'll have to look at the notes, but I can't remember too good. Y'all know about it. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Watch for this guitar. It's coming up next. And I'll see you next time. Cheers. With coffee. Of all things, coffee, man.